I am grateful to you, God, for your unwavering love and support. Thank you, God, for guiding me through every challenge. I appreciate your constant presence and divine wisdom, God. Thank you, God, for the strength to overcome obstacles. I am thankful for your endless grace and mercy, God. Thank you, God, for the gift of each new day. I am grateful for the peace and serenity you provide, God. Thank you, God, for the opportunities you place in my path. I appreciate your guidance and protection, God, in every moment. Thank you, God, for filling my life with joy and love. I am grateful for the healing and restoration you bring, God. Thank you, God, for the beautiful people you have brought into my life. I appreciate the lessons and growth you provide, God. Thank you, God, for the strength to face each day with courage. I am thankful for your provision and abundance, God. Thank you, God, for the clarity and direction you give me. I am grateful for the love and kindness you show me daily, God.